my goal for this video is to show you how you can go from this to this. So I'm going to say npm i-s, capital S, and then we'll say chalk. Let's just comment it out. We're going to comment this out. So I'm going to say const chalk, and then we want to import it from chalk. So I'm going to say const blue equals chalk dot blue, and then const red equals chalk dot red. And then we're going to console.log blue, and this is a function, so we're going to pass in what we want to put in. I'll say hello, and then we'll do red, and we'll do world. All right. We go to our package.json, put somewhere in here, type, and then we're going to do module. Comment this out. We're going to uncomment the ESM. We're going to change this to chalk, and we're going to change this to chalk. So we're going to say node index.js, and as we can see, it worked. There's also another way that you can do this. What you can do is, instead of doing index.js here, you can rename the file to index.mjs. So what we can do is we can go back to package.json. We can remove this type. So let's run that file again. So we're going to do node index.mjs. And as we can see, it still works. Those are the two ways that you can use this syntax. One way is if you only want to use it in this file, you can change this name to be .mjs and it'll work. Otherwise, if you want to have the whole project use EJS, then you can go anywhere in here, just create a type field and put it as module. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel and all that jazz, and I will see you guys in the next video.